Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Make sure the iPhone has enough battery or is connected so settings don't reset. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. This gets you straight to color controls. Once there, locate Smart Invert and Classic Invert. These are the two inversion options. You'll toggle them to see which one fixes your issue. Smart Invert preserves photos and media, while Classic Invert flips everything. Tap each to test and observe results immediately. Once you've found the inversion switches, toggle Smart Invert and watch common apps and images. It usually fixes color negatives while keeping photos correct. If colors still look wrong, switch off Smart and enable Classic Invert to force a full inversion. This is useful for stubborn UI elements. Make sure to close and relaunch apps after changing settings so they refresh with the new color profile. If you use dark mode, note how inversion interacts. Adjust accordingly to get consistent visuals. To finish, walk through your home screen, lock screen, and a few core apps to confirm colors look normal. This verifies the fix across contexts. If inversion still behaves oddly, check Reduce White Point and Color Filters under Accessibility. Sometimes those combine with invert and cause strange tints. Once done, restart your iPhone so changes settle. If problems continue, update iOS or reset accessibility settings. These steps resolve deeper software conflicts in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.